Again with about 97, 98% collection?
Yeah, easy. With this product, not only can you see the dust going into the barrel of the dust director, the blade is completely visible.
Hey, what's going on? Barnaby here, hanging out at World of Concrete 2013, where we're going to be talking to the dust director right here. His name is Ted. Now, the reason I'm coming to you, Ted, is because at all the booths where there's any grinding or cutting going on, everybody is talking about dust collection. It's a big thing now. And because you come with a shirt that says Dust Director, I thought, I might as well talk to you about what you've come up with here, because you've told me that you were the first guy to really break ground in this area. And so let's talk about your innovations, because this is what we call a manufacturer show-off. It's your chance to shine, okay? So what's this right here?
This is the Dust Director. It offers complete blade visibility. Everybody wants dust control, containment, but without blade visibility, the worker isn't being productive. With this product, not only can he see the dust going into the barrel of the dust director, the blade is completely visible. He's always able to see his work area.
Yeah, it is interesting because we always think that you have to have something clamped over the cutting edge in order to collect all the dust. So what is it that creates such suction in order to make this a visibility possibility? When
I was designing the dust director, one time I said, I wish I had the suction right here, right at the end of that blade. And I created a baffle inside the barrel of the dust director, and a contractor recommended that I cut this. The blade's open, I lose no dust.
Interesting, okay. So in the demo, what we see is just the dust comes out and then the dust sucks in, right? So how much dust is being collected, do you think?
98% easily.
How does that stack up against the competition?
OSHA, NIOSH, the Center to Protect Workers' Rights, they did various studies against the other manufacturers out there of dust control, and it's probably #1.
Okay, now what's this? This looks like it's hinged. Explain what that's for.
When you're going down an inside corner on a wall, you hit that, you're cutting it, you turn off the grinder, you open this up, and now you could continue cutting that corner and go this way. It's all, the whole thing about the dust director is speed on the wall.
Okay, and even though it's now even more wide open, it still collects the dust.
No loss of dust control.
Okay.
It's there strictly for safety.
Excellent, okay, now let's talk about this guy. Because, you know, people are trying to clean up edges, maybe cut through some things. Explain how it works.
This wasn't my idea, but the contractors told me that a diamond blade can only cut so far.
Sure.
On a brick joint, there's they call it the head joint, the vertical brick joint, the inside wall corners, the window brick returns. This cleans up what a diamond blade can't finish. Okay,
and again, as we're looking at the video, it just flies off the rotating surface in there, huh?
Correct.
Again with about 97, 98% collection?
Yeah, easy.
Okay, all right, and then we're not going to demonstrate these because these are of larger format, but tell us what they are and what they're good for.
Once again, the masonry guys, they're cutting brick.
Yeah. And
they make long runs where they just have to cut through the brick.
Yeah.
This dust director is the 10-inch dust director. It gives you 3 3/4 inch depth of cut to completely cut through the brick on one pass of the blade.
Okay, without the spewage. I mean, just without the big plumes.
No, the same vacuum hooks up to it.
Okay. And then on this guy here, the cutoff?
When I was at the World of Concrete show last year, all of the contractors, they wanted, what do you have for the 14-inch gas cutoff saws? This year, we're introducing the 14-inch gas dust director.
All right.
It hooks onto the steel, whacker, and Husqvarna saws.
Okay, so I'll tell you what, let's work our way down this way. How much for this, for the 14-inch dust collector?
$390 with the dust director 14-inch blade.
Okay, how about this guy right here?
Complete saw with the 10-inch dust director blade, $795.
Okay.
The glitter bits, naturally the glitter bits, there's 3 sizes in the glitter bits. 1/8, 1/4 by 3 1/2, 1/4 by 4 5/8, and they cut out bricks with this.
Okay.
But various prices on these. They range from $70 to $110.
Okay, back it up and let's take a look at this next one over here. And look at that, we're drawing a crowd, but we're shooting a live format right here, so let's make some space, right? Okay, here we go.
And the dust director. This attaches to all the major brands of angle grinders out there. Metabo, Makita, Bosch, DeWalt, Milwaukee, Fine, Hilti.
Okay.
And the dust director itself goes for $195.
Okay, now, all of this is great, right? But unless you've got the powerful vac, and you say you've designed something special there as well.
Yeah.
All right, let's talk about that real quick.
Yeah. People that have vacuums, that try vacuums, that's fine. But the people who really use vacuums, I put a special motor in this vacuum. The vacuum comes with an 1.5 by 12-foot hose, but you could easily attach a 2-inch by 25-foot hose and actually increase the CFM on this thing.
Really?
With the portability of this thing, it'll hold 40 pounds of fine powdered silica dust without suction loss.
Okay, what happens if moisture gets introduced into the equation?
Actually, with the filter system that's in here, the tuck pointers have told me that the filter system works better when the mortar is wet.
Okay, so pop the top and show us what's happening inside.
We've been cutting all week here at the World of Concrete show, and the HEPA cartridge filter stays clean. The inside of the tank is clean. On this filter, every vacuum comes with 2 filter systems. We're using the Clean Extreme bags. The outside of the bag is clean. The tank is clean. You pull it up, throw the bag away. Containment, disposal, 100%.
How much for that?
That vacuum there goes for $595. It also comes with the flutter filter. And instead of using a bag, you use the flutter filter. As soon as the vacuum is on, the flutter filter starts to shake. The constant motion keeps dust from caking onto its surface.
Wow.
You turn the vacuum off, the cage drops, any dust caking drops off. Regain 100% suction power as soon as you turn the vacuum on again.
Awesome information, man, because you know what? It is interesting when you get inside the head of an inventor, the wheels are always turning. It's all about making for a better tool interface with the surface you're working on, and that's what we're all about here at toolselect.com, is real stats from real people to make it real easy to figure out which tool might be right for you.